Lesson 15, Systems of Linear Equations. First, let's define what a system of equations is. A system of equations is a set or collection of equations that you deal with all together at once. Linear equations, ones that graph as straight lines, are simpler than nonlinear equations, and the simplest linear system is one with two equations and two variables. Make sure you copy this down carefully. If you need to pause this video, please do so. A system of equations may have one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. Let's see the first case, one solution. You have one solution when you solve the system and you get x equals any constant c. Remember, c can be any number. So remember, x equals c, where c is any number, such as -1, 2, and 1/3. Let's look at these systems of equations. The first equation is y equals -2x plus 3. The second one is y minus x equals 3. For this problem, you see that in the first equation, y equals -2x plus 3. To find the solution, wherever you see the y, substitute -2x plus 3 on the second equation. So we're going to substitute -2x plus 3 wherever we see a y. So now we have -2x plus 3 minus x equals 3. We're going to draw two vertical lines, one to divide the equation and the next one to show the steps. The first step, use the associative property to remove the parentheses. And now we have -2x plus 3 minus x equals 3. Now use the commutative property to move the terms around. So we're going to take -x and place it right next to -2x. For step 3, we want to combine like terms. -2x minus x are in the same team, so we add them. -2x minus x gives us -3x. So now we have -3x plus 3 equals 3. Remember, our goal is to isolate the variable, so we'll subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. So the 3 cancels, and we get -3x equals 0. On the following step, we'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is -3. 0 divided by any number is equal to 0, so we get x equals 0. We aren't done. A solution for a system of linear equations is a point, and so far, we only have the x-coordinate. We need the y-coordinate. Let's use the equation above, y equals -2x plus 3, and substitute the value of x, which is 0. So we're going to write the first equation down here. X equals 0. So wherever we see an x, we're going to substitute it with a 0. So when you substitute x for 0, we get y equals -2 times 0 plus 3. So -2 times 0 gives you 0, which then gives us y equals 0 plus 3. Therefore, the y-coordinate is equal to 3. Your answer is the point 0, 3. This is a graph of the system of linear equations that we just solved. So as we can see, the two lines meet up at the point 0, 3.